So in order to use Blynk libraries in Arduino setup, first you need to include that, and for that you need to go to the sketch and then include libraries, and then go to the manage libraries, and here you need to search for the Blynk, and this top one is you need to include. I have already installed, so if it is not installed, you will have this button like install, and then it will be included in your library setup. So that's all you need to use the Blynk libraries in your application. So the next step is basically once those libraries are included, then you will have these examples, Blynk example. So I will use that here, example from the custom libraries, and then here I will, because I want to connect my ESP board via Wi-Fi, and then through my application, mobile application Blynk, through my application that is built on top of the Blynk platform, I will control and turn off and on this onboard LED. So I need this template that is based on the Wi-Fi, and I will use this simple one. So this will open another Arduino window. I will close the previous one, and here is, you know, that for using the Arduino the ESP board, you need to have to choose the proper board and the COM port. So this is the board, ESP board I have selected already, and then the COM port is COM3, to which my ESP board is connected, right? And then in the next step, this is a simple code. You can see there is nothing in here. It's simply in the setup call. You need to have these two lines, the serial begin, which will be helpful in saying output on your serial interface, and then the Blynk begin, and this is the authorization token in the my Wi-Fi ID and password, and then in the loop we simply call this blynk.run. So essentially it when this application is set up on your ESP board, so this gives control to the ESP, to the Blynk platform, to control this device using the Blynk IoT application that we built on top of that. So all we need is, in the next step, is these three lines, right? The template ID, the template name, and authorization token. So how we can get that? For that, you need to go to the Blynk website, create a user account there. So I have already created, and I need to log into my platform. So this is the Blynk or the clean platform you will get initially. And just to tell you, this is a free account that I'm using. If you go into the billing section, you will see currently we are using this free one, right? If you're having the paid version like a Maker or Pro business version, you will get additional features, but with the free versions you can have like 5 data streams. We will see what are the stream meant in a while, and then it will keep the historical data for 1 week, and then you can control only 2 devices, right? And then 5 user accounts can use this free. So this is good enough for the testing purpose, I think. So let's start. So this is the developer zone. We go to the developer zone, and then we create our first template or device, and then we are using the board, ESP board. There are different boards available. You can choose whatever you are using, and then you need to name your device. So Blynk LED, I name like that, and it is connected using the Wi-Fi. You can add a brief description to this device that you create. So this is essentially the virtual instance of our physical ESP board on the Blynk platform. So once we are done with that, then there are 4 steps that you need, right? So in the next one, you need to create a data stream. So we know that the onboard LED is connected to the physical pin 2. So for that, you need to create an output pin 2, and that is basically a data stream. So you need to select the data stream digital pin, and that's basically our pin number 2, which is connected to the physical onboard LED. And you can enable this historical data. So you see accordingly these names are changed, and its pin mode is output, because we will give input from our application, and the output will goes on the physical board on this pin to turn on and off the LED, the physical LED. So we create that one. So our data stream is created, and then you can create your web board. So here you can use different widgets, and the free version limited widgets are available. You can see the number inputs require me to upgrade my account, but for now I will use this switch to turn off and on the LED. And then this switch is not connected to any data stream. You need to set up that. So you can see you need to choose the data stream that you have in your account. So the digital pin 2 will use the on value is 1, off value is 0. You can enable the labels for that, and then you need to just save. So this is it. If I turn on and off this switch, that will turn on and off the onboard LED on my ESP board. Okay, so now go into, first I need to save that. In my template I have created this device, a virtual device you can call it, Blynk LED. From this template now I will create a device. So in the device tab, add a new device from the templates, and the templates that I have is a Blynk LED, and I keep the same name. You can change the device name here. So this is it. So this is now you can see this is offline because I have not burnt or uploaded this code, this one, into my board. And in order to upload this one, I need these 3 information: the template ID, template name, and authorization token. And I can get this one for this device. When I click on here, and device information, yeah, these 3 lines, you need to copy this, and then you can just paste it here. The next thing we need is my Wi-Fi SSID and the password. I will type in here. Okay, this is it. I need to build and upload. It will take time. You need to wait. We are compiling the sketch here. You can see here. After compilation is done, then it will get uploaded on my ESP board, and then we will see when the device is connected. So our device status will change here. It will be online, and then you can control through the switch the onboard LED. So compilation is done. Now it's uploading. Okay, hard reset. You need to press enable button on the board. So let's see, the device is online here now. Now if I press this button, I'll show you. I turn on the switch, onboard LED is turned on. So this is a simple how we can use the Blynk platform to build simple IoT applications. Our application is not yet built. This is just a mechanism we can control our device through this platform. In order to build some application, you need to install the Blynk application on your mobile. I will show you, and then you need to log into your account, and then using your devices in these data streams, you can create a simple mobile application that will be used to control this onboard LED. So I will quickly show you that.